Hello, today in this video we'll be showing you how to make French macaroons. The materials you'll be needing are 3 bowls, a spatula, a whisk, and a hand mixer. The ingredients are powdered sugar, almond flour, salt and eggs, granulated sugar, vanilla extract and gel food coloring, 2 sticks of butter and heavy cream. Now you want to take your 3 eggs and separate the egg whites. You want to do this first so that your eggs can become room temperature. You want your eggs at room temperature because cold eggs don't achieve as much volume. As your eggs sit, you want to mix all your dry ingredients, which are powdered sugar, almond flour, and salt. Whisk them into a fine powder or else clumps will appear in your cookie. Now it's time to mix all your wet ingredients, also known as making the meringue. First, put a teaspoon of salt and whisk until frothy. You want to whisk lots of air in your egg whites so your cookie can be light and fluffy. Once your egg whites look like whipped cream, you want to add your sugar. Now add your sugar a little at a time so you won't get big clumps. You know you're done mixing your meringue when you have stiff peaks and you are able to turn your bowl over without anything coming out. Now it's time to add your vanilla for taste. Next, you can add your gel food coloring. Gel food coloring is recommended because it doesn't change the form of your batter. If you use regular food coloring, your batter will become watery and your macaroons will run. Next, mix your wet and dry ingredients together and put them in a piping bag. Now you can pipe out your macaroon cookies. Once you've done this, bang your cookies on a flat surface so you can get any air bubbles out. If you don't do this step, your air bubbles will stay in your cookie and your cookie might crack. Let your cookie sit for at least 30 minutes so it can create a hard film on the top. If you don't do this step, your cookies might not rise properly in the oven. Now you could put your cookies in the oven for at least 17 minutes at 300 degrees. Once your cookies are baking, you can now make your vanilla buttercream. Whisk the butter until it's light and fluffy. Then you could add your vanilla extract and heavy whipping cream. Mix thoroughly. Once your cookies are out the oven and cooled, you can now assemble your macaroons. As you can see, our cookie turned from a liquid droopy consistency into a hard shell cookie.